Number 1. 1989 Dodge D150, price $4,250, all original truck with 85,565 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and a sleek gray exterior, complemented by a well-maintained interior. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck runs and drives great, making it a fantastic choice for cruising around. The vehicle retains its original charm, with a working cruise control and radio. It is also equipped with air conditioning, though it may require a recharge. While there are some areas of rust and a few dents, the overall condition is solid, and the dashboard remains in exceptional shape. A bedliner adds to its practicality, offering protection and durability. Additionally, this Dodge D150 has just passed emissions testing and comes with a brand new battery, ensuring reliability. A true pleasure to drive, this truck captures the essence of classic American pickups. Number 2. 1976 GMC Sierra, price $9,500. It has been driven 86,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it a smooth and easy driver. Under the hood, it features a Chevy 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, providing reliable performance and a strong foundation for any enthusiast looking to enjoy or further customize the truck. The exterior is finished in sleek black, while the interior contrasts beautifully with a bold red color scheme, giving it a timeless and eye-catching look. While it may not be a show truck, it is a dependable and solid vehicle that runs and drives well, making it a great choice for someone looking for a classic truck that can be enjoyed as is or taken to the next level. Being a desert truck, it has remained impressively rust-free for its age, making it a rare find in such well-preserved condition. Running on gasoline and backed by a clean Nevada title, this GMC Sierra is ready for its next owner to appreciate and enjoy. Number 3. 1984 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,900. It has only 58,000 miles and features a powerful 6.0-liter V8 from a 2006 Cadillac Escalade, producing 344 horsepower. It has an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and rides on 22-inch wheels. Recent upgrades include a full AC system replacement, new exhaust pipes with catalytic converters, LED headlights, and a fresh synthetic oil change. Inside, the truck boasts a premium Bluetooth stereo system with high-quality speakers and a subwoofer. Power windows, locks, and door switches work perfectly, and the interior has been refreshed with a reupholstered dashboard, new door seals, and a new fuel pump. A new battery was installed 2 weeks ago. As a second-owner vehicle, it comes with a clean title and a spotless Carfax report. Number 4. 1984 Ford F250, price $6,000. This is a two-wheel drive truck equipped with a manual transmission. With 95,500 miles on the odometer, it remains largely original, having been previously owned by a handicapped individual. The truck features a brown exterior and a matching brown interior. Its body is in excellent condition, completely rust-free. While it runs and drives, the tires are old and may need replacement. Under the hood, it is powered by a 6.9L diesel engine fitted with a Banks Sidewinder turbo. A rebuilt engine tag is present, though the exact history of the rebuild remains unknown. Additionally, an extra engine is included, along with new pistons and rings. The seats are in good condition, but the door panels and some trim have deteriorated due to sun exposure. Despite some cosmetic wear, this classic truck comes with a clear Arizona title. Number 5. 1966 Ford F250, price $9,000. It has a unique history, originally purchased brand new in Billings by Uncle Neil. After his passing, the truck was left to a nephew. Years later, it was discovered in a rough state. While the cabin running gear remained bolted down, nearly everything else, including the seat and gas tank, had been removed and stored either in the truck bed or a shed. Now revived as a plated and insured survivor driver, it stands as a testament to its enduring craftsmanship. The original engine had been left exposed without a hood or air cleaner, leading to severe rust and a frozen block. To bring it back to life, a low-mileage 1986 Ford 300 engine with electronic ignition was sourced and installed as a replacement. Remarkably, nearly all the truck's features are functional, though the turn signals require manual cancellation as the steering wheel does not automatically reset them. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It has been driven 245,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It boasts a clean white exterior with a well-maintained custom interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a 5.7L 350 engine equipped with a Holley intake, a Holley double pumper carburetor, and a choppy cam, delivering a powerful and aggressive performance. The truck is fitted with a 3-inch exhaust system, headers, and rear disc brakes for improved stopping power. Handling is enhanced by Hotchkiss front and rear sway bars, ensuring stability and control. It rides on Weld Laguna wheels, with beadlock rear wheels wrapped in new Nitto drag radial tires. This exceptionally clean truck comes with a clean Nevada title, making it a standout option for enthusiasts looking for a well-built and well-maintained classic. Number 7. 1980 GMC Stepside, price $10,000. This is a classic truck with a strong 305 engine. Key components like the carburetor, fuel system, ignition parts, and battery were replaced in early 2023, with only premium fuel used since. It has a rebuilt 4L60E transmission with just 200 miles on it. An Alpine CD player with 6x9 speakers was installed in 2023, and all headlights, bezels, and screws were replaced in 2024. The truck sits on 17-inch rims with wide tires, installed in 2017. It runs strong but has a few minor issues. The gas gauge has never worked, the speedometer clicks but doesn't read, and the ignition assembly needs replacing, though it doesn't affect operation. The bed is still sturdy but will need replacement. Despite these, it remains a well-maintained classic with plenty of character. Number 8. 1988 Ford F250, price $4,000, with only 89,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. Powered by the legendary 7.5 L460 Ci V8 engine, it is paired with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission and equipped with a 4x4 system with manual locking hubs. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with no rust except for minor surface rust. It has been fitted with long tube headers, although the exhaust system remains unfinished due to budget constraints, requiring tailpipes to be installed. A clean title is in hand, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck. Number 9. 1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with 63,000 miles on it. It comes with an automatic transmission and features a brown exterior with a matching brown interior. Running on gasoline, it has been well maintained and remains in excellent driving condition. The truck is driven daily to work and performs well on the road, passing smog tests without any issues. A few months ago, both the carburetor and the transmission were rebuilt to ensure smooth operation. The intake manifold was also replaced, along with many other new parts that have been installed over time. With these upgrades and consistent maintenance, this Chevrolet 1500 continues to run strong and deliver dependable performance. Number 10. 1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. It has been driven for 270,600 miles and is equipped with a 4.3-liter V6 engine featuring throttle body fuel injection, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck comes with power steering, power brakes, and an aftermarket air conditioning system that is in working condition. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a tan color scheme. Although the body is in good shape, the paint has begun to peel due to prolonged exposure to the Tucson sun. Despite its age and mileage, the truck runs well and remains reliable. Additionally, a set of factory service manuals is included with the vehicle.